Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mira Mishra. Friends, in previous we discussed the topic distribution like binomial distribution, Poisson distribution and normal distribution. Friends, today I'm going to discuss with you correlation and its type. Correlation and its type. So first we understand what is correlation. So first we understand what is the correlation. So write the definition. Basically friends, correlation. If you see the word correlation, it means the variables are said to be correlated if the changes in one variable result in a corresponding to changing in the other variable. For the variables are said to be correlated if the changes in one variable results in a corresponding change in the other variable. That is, when two variables are moved together, we say they are correlated. Right friend? So friend, for example, if you take the area, formula of the area, what is the area? A equals to pi r square, which is the area of the circle. So here you see, if radius increases, area is also increases. If radius is decreases, area is decreases. It means area and radius are correlated. Okay? Because two variables a and r move together, so we say that they are the correlated. This is the one of the example. You can take any other one example of any other formula. Right? Now this is a correlation. Now what is the types? What its types? So types of correlation. Types of correlation. So there are various types of correlation. First one is positive correlation, negative correlation, linear correlation, or non-linear correlation. Right? So first we take positive correlation. So there are so many types, various types, or you can say the different types, the different types of correlation are, first one is positive correlation, second one is negative correlation, third one is linear correlation, and fourth one is non-linear correlation. Non-linear correlation. So what is the positive correlation? So write down and understand what is the positive correlation. So first type which one is positive correlation. Positive correlation. So friends, when the value of two variables move same direction, when the values of two variables move same direction, correlation is said to be positive. Right? It means when one variable is increases, then other variables is also increases, or one variable is decreases, then other variables is also decreases. Then this type of relation is known as a positive correlation. Right? Now move on second one, negative correlation. Negative correlation. So what is the negative correlation? So when the value of two variables when the values of two variables move opposite direction, correlation is said to be negative. That means an increase in the value of one variable result into and decreases in the other variables. Also, if decrease in value of one variable, so result into increases in the other variable. So other variable, or also correlation is said to be negative. So if one variable is increases, so other variable decreases. If one variable is decreases, then other variable is increases. So this type of relation if goes on, then this is known as this is defined one variable, this is second variable, one variable, this is second variable. So this type of correlation is known as a negative correlation. Now next one is linear correlation. So next one is third type is linear correlation. Friends, when the amount of changes in one variable leads to a constant ratio of changes in the other variable, so correlation is said to be the linear. It means constantly both variables are increases or both variables are decreases, some constant values. So constantly both variables are increases or decreases. So this type of relation is known as a correlation. So when the amount of changes in one variable leads to a constant ratio of change in the other variable. So this type of correlation is called to be linear. So correlation is said to be linear. Means both variables have a constant ratio for changes, right? The next one is nonlinear correlation. So this is the vice versa of the linear correlation. It means when two variables are not linear, have a linear correlation, it means they have a non-linear correlation. So if we write the proper definition of the non-linear correlation, so non-linear correlation means correlation is said to be non-linear when the amount of changes in one variable is not in constant ratio to the change in the other variable, right? So correlation is said to be non-linear when the amount of change in one variable is not in constant ratio to the change in the other variable, right? So this is the non-linear correlation. So these are the non-linear correlation.